disturbs my lair. I see you. I can smell you. I can hear you. I can sense you. I will crush you. Be gone. Leave now or forever perish. You will not be able to stop me. You will not stop me. You have no chance. Well, what do we have here? Well, what do we have here? You are all weak. What is it you are looking for? You will not find it here. You will only find death. Leave now or forever be gone. I am done talking to you. I am done talking. I am done talking. You amuse me. You're pathetic. You are weak. You are weak. No one will get my hoard. Get out of my lair now. One more step and I take you out. One more step and I will burn you alive. One more step and I will zap you. You cannot hide from me. You cannot hide from me. I can smell the fart you just did. Somebody farted. And I can smell it. Oh, gross. That stinks. You better have lots of shinies for me. You better have brought me gifts. I have no patience for this. Who are you? Who is this? Who am I speaking to? My throat is a bit scratchy. You will die tonight. I will let you through. Teleport you need. Your arrows and swords cannot hurt me. This magic you deal with is not good. None of you will stop me. Prepare to meet your doom.